We're back on that weed whacker. We're gonna change the oil this time.
Try and get this in. Yeah, there's no possible way I'm getting it in. Oh crap. Ew, look at the oil in it.
Oil's flowing.
Oh crap.
What?
It's all just landed on the thing. You have an old rag or something?
There was one just around here. I wonder where it goes.
Dude, this oil's bad.
You think? Look at all the dirt in it. That old weed whacker runs good though. It just needs an oil change.
Okay. Oil's drained out. As you can see, a little liquidy. Put some new fine soil in.
Hold on, wait, don't do that yet. The best way of discarding oil, burn it.
As you can see, guys, pouring it in.
You got some in there?
Yeah, it's hard because of the stupid thing. Woo.
Yeah. A little messy without a funnel. Alright,
See how much she has.
good enough.
Make sure she has enough in her first, though.
Level good?
You have a flashlight?
But I'm gonna use it. You have a flashlight on your phone. The exhaust of a weed eater. Sorry if you can't hear us too good. We got a generator out here on the construction site. Looking good?
Actually, more.
The re-attempt of adding more oil. Hey? Hey! I think she's good now. What'd you just... Good?
Just a little bit more, and she's good. Okay.
Perfect.
She should be
Alright,
good.
oil is changed. Alright, smash that subscribe button and hit that like button. See y'all out.